this video, I would like to show you how you can come up with quality YouTube logo from scratch. What you are supposed to do is just search for Canva. So in case you have not watched my previous video, I have made videos showing you how you can come up with Canva account, which helps you to come with some of the designs, which helps you to come up with things like logos, thumbnail, banners from scratch and so easy. So just search for Canva and then click search. You shall get into this website. So since I already have an account, I'll just log in simply into this account. Then after you have created your account, if you don't have, your name will appear here. Also, you shall get into this interface. Please watch the video, which I have put the link in the description. Also playing above here will show you how you can create a Canva account. Just hit create design, then you are being asked by Canva, what would you like to create? So Canva is so simplistic. I just want to create a simple YouTube logo. Then a simple YouTube logo is basically 800 to 800 pixels, which is a square, so all sides are equal. So let us open the template, which will aid us in creating a YouTube logo. So we have some pre-installed YouTube logos here by Canva, but I want to come up with a YouTube logo from scratch. So there is an image which I have already downloaded it from internet, which will help me model up my logo. So I can either upload it by just hitting upload file, and then clicking the image which I want to use as my logo. So here is one of the images. So, but basically what I want to use is an image which is here, which I shall drag and drop. Just open File Explorer, then come to where we have download. Then I will minimize the screen a little bit. So I want to use this image. I'll drag and drop it here. So you can see by drag and dropping it here, it is here now, ready for use. So if you uploaded it, you could only hit the image and the image is here. So let me delete this one. So after putting the image here, I'll set it to the center by moving it this way. Then the image is here. It is quite nice. So I want to add a text to this logo. So this is logo for my channel. I just name it key 1. Then I'll put it adjacent to this logo. So I just call it key 1. Text, I just add the text again and with the name text, and then put it at the bottom here. Yeah, at the bottom here. Sweet, taking it out a little bit or in. Telling when it is here is quite impressive. Then I can adjust also the name. Yeah, this one out and this one somehow in. So you can play with the text as you wish. So I can also change the font size of the text. I can use this configuration. I can use fixed pattern graph, but there is a configuration which the text configuration which I want to use. I want to use the card, both of them. Then I think the logo is epic, so I can also adjust the logo a little bit inside. It must not be in the center. So our logo is here. You can play with the text color as you wish. I can use red and see how it will appear. I can use red. I can also use color. Let me use this color. So this color make it too dark. It is not visible. So I think red is good, or black. So the black seem to be more professional. Then after, oh, green, even green is epic. Let's see, do experiment with green. So even green, it is not too shouting. It's green. And then after making it this way, I can download my logo, now ready for use. Just download it with no watermark, coming with the logo from scratch. So I can close the site. Let me close the site and get to the file explorer, and our logo is here ready for you. So you can just use